AI tools can help graphic designers create quickly, but it also helps to improve creative process and ideation as well. From turning sketches into generated AI to fixing up text or graphics on existing designs, stop wasting so much time doing it all by yourself if you're a graphic designer. In this video, I'll share 5 AI tools that are really useful for graphic designers, and I'm not sponsored by any of these tools. I simply want to help more people stay prepared by sharing these tools out to you. And if you would like to share this video out to more people to help the journey, give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to learn the building blocks for the age of AI. So the first one on the list is of course Adobe Firefly. When it comes to achieving professional grade results, one name stands out, which is Adobe. It's ventured boldly into the realm of generative AI with Firefly, and its beta version is already in full swing. I've got to say, as someone who's actually used Photoshop and Illustrator for several years, Firefly has been super useful and helps to upgrade the designs even further. What makes Firefly truly more remarkable as its speed is it lets you experiment with various content types effortlessly, and it actually offers a plethora of different substyles to help you polish your creative concepts. You have the power to tweak colors, tones, lighting, compositions, everything. Through Firefly, you can do text-to-image generation, which helps to create images from text descriptions like many other image generators out there. You have generative fill, which helps to remove or add objects using a brush tool. You can do generative recoloring, which helps to produce color variations for different vector artwork. You have 3D to image features, which allow you to create images from 3D elements. Then you have this thing called Project Stardust, which allows you to move objects anywhere in an image. And on top of that, it's integrated with other Adobe apps as well, so that's really great. The second tool on this list is Fotor AI. It's a simple AI art generator and one that's quite popular amongst graphic designers. So the reason it stands out is because it's super easy to use and it's an awesome tool for getting creative ideas out there. Much like any other image generator, you just type in your prompt and you can select different styles to create the visual asset you want, from logos, posters, custom headshots, whatever you can creatively think about. You can upload any image to generate similar AI created images in different styles, from Bitmojis, pixel character makers, sticker generators, whatever. And then their enhanced AI feature allows you to generate images with extra editing features, from replacing, expanding, magic erasers. And they have a professional headshots feature which helps to transform your personal images of yourself into actual AI generated versions, so that's quite useful as well. Then there's Canva AI. Now Canva, for any graphic designer, is a well-known champion in the online design tool realm. It's a relatively easy tool for beginners to get started, and there's no doubt that it has been empowering people to effortlessly design graphics and marketing materials very easily. But since this generative AI boom, Canva has actually been stepping on board and they're expanding their AI features. So whether you're starting from a blank canvas or you're using prompts, Canva AI offers a wealth of different styles to choose from, and you can generate AI images in different styles using watercolor, sketch, color pencil, whatever you can think of. And what makes it even better is you can craft up to 50 AI designs without paying. But of course, if you pay for a subscription, you can generate much more than that. They have a whole magic edit and eraser feature that helps you to clean up the images or remove any background. You can also select from a library of photos, icons, and graphics that are existing in the Canva database. And as I mentioned earlier, you have multiple art styles to choose from. The next on the list is Khroma. It's an AI tool for graphic designers, which is really useful for selecting color schemes. It uses machine learning to understand different user color preferences and allows you to create your own personalized palettes. So you can explore, you can save favorite color combinations, and you can kind of put them in a library of colors. This tool is really useful for anybody that likes to keep track of all the different color tones that they want to use or get inspiration for other palettes. Their whole personalized color algorithm helps to learn user preferences to generate light colors and blocked disliked ones. And you have an infinite color combination that allows you to generate different combinations from popular human-made palettes from other users. And of course, you have a search and filter function which allows you to search by hue, tint, value, color, RGB values. And then you can also save different favorite combos to create like a library of colors that you can kind of refer back to later down the road. Then the last on the list is Alpaca, which is a Photoshop plugin. It lets you handpick specific areas of your sketch for rendering and is an extremely useful tool for any graphic designer who has some skill in drawing or illustration. So imagine you draw something out, you sketch something out with minimal details, and then you just highlight that portion and you describe how you envision the final result, and then Alpaca will give you that final result. You can do controlled image generation, which helps to start your sketches, and then you put in that reference image and it just kind of guides the composition. And then you also have like this personalized tool set which allows you to generate content in your own style using a customized model by dropping different types of images. And then of course, as I mentioned, you can do sketch to image rendering, which helps transform your sketches into actual detailed images. At the end of the day, AI tools like the ones mentioned earlier are all super useful for graphic designers. Not only does it help to enhance the overall creative process, but you can streamline your workflow as well. AI tools help handle mundane, time-consuming tasks like resizing images, cropping photos, converting file formats, and all of that. And also AI tools, though, like the ones I mentioned earlier, they have generative AI built into it, so you can start creating things, get some ideas, all of that. And AI can also help you choose color palettes like the ones like Khroma and keep a whole library of colors that you can refer back to later. So there you have it, a list of useful tools for graphic designers. I hope that was helpful. If you want to know more about other AI tools for designers and creatives in general, check out the next video. And if you found any of the tools here useful, give this video a thumbs up, it helps the channel out. Leave a comment down below if you'd like more tools to be featured or if you want me to dive into a specific tool. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content on tools, tips, and tricks that help you navigate this new digital ocean of AI.